Welcome, welcome, welcome guys. Today is the day the ebook is out. My mom and I wrote an ebook. It's called Everybody Loves Food. Here's the gorgeous title of us being super cute in the kitchen. I'm so excited to finally launch this ebook. I've been working my butt off on this. It is so much work to make an ebook. I had no idea. There's over 40 vegan recipes in there, some vegan cooking tips. There's some like personal anecdotes with me and my mom. And most importantly, these recipes were made with so much love and so much care. Every recipe is tree nut free, which I have never seen in a vegan recipe book before. Basically, I just want to be a little mindful about people who have tree nut allergies. I specifically hired someone who can take really awesome photos for me because I just would not be able to make anything look as beautiful as it turned out. And I think it turned out so pretty, so thank you to Jaylee for that. To purchase the ebook, the link is down below. I hope you really enjoy it. I know a lot of you guys have been really excited and supportive in the comments, so I appreciate you cheering me on because it has been so much work. And now we're getting into a what I eat in a day while pregnant video. This is it's a super realistic video, guys. I just want to prep you. If you've been following along on my pregnancy journey at all, this is my very first pregnancy and I was just blown away about how much work it is to grow a child inside you. One of the biggest things I personally am dealing with is like not wanting food, and so making these what I eat videos is funny. It's just tricky. And on this particular day when I filmed, I was so tired, and so when I'm tired, my nausea is triggered even more. So you'll see me eating lots of tiny things throughout the day that don't really make a lot of sense, but that's pregnancy for you. If anyone out there has had pregnancies where they have food aversions and nausea throughout the entire pregnancy, all 3 trimesters, please give me like some sort of emoji where we can relate to each other, because I'm pretty excited for this to be over, let's be honest. Also, P.S. whenever I film what I ate today or what I eat in a day vlogs and show you all my food, I'm always honest about it. It's just really important to me to have that integrity so I'm not like misleading anyone about what I eat. So yeah, this is a realistic day for me. Sometimes I'm eating some junk food during this pregnancy because that is the only thing I could get down. Holler at your girl if you can relate. I've never said that phrase before. Okay, let's get into it.
Besoin de stabilité et de retrouver ses racines.
I have been dreading filming another what I eat in a day while pregnant video because lately the baby has been so demanding and food has been so weird even towards the very end, and I'm like naked most of the time right now because it's so hot. I don't normally wear a t-shirt and like pants. No, this is for you guys. This is so you don't have to see me naked. Get to. Oh good heavens, what shall we eat right now? I need something immediately. I have jujubes. No. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do persimmons and dates. Yeah. So I apologize for this. I'm gonna fix this later. This whole like tired face situation going on. I assure you, as soon as the camera is off, my pants are coming off as well. These are persimmons. It's the beginning of persimmon season. I'm a big fan. This is a special variety. It's the only variety at my farmer's market right now, and it's a coffee cake variety. I've never had it. I heard it's brown on the inside, so do not be alarmed. Whoa. Huh, interesting. Oh my god, whoa. Oh my gosh. Wow. These are amazing. Have you ever had the coffee cake fuyu persimmon variety? Wow. The baby likes it. So here we go. Breakfast is this brown variety of persimmon that tastes like a coffee cake. It's so delicious. And a few bari dates. I don't know if you saw my Insta stories, but I ordered some bari dates from Bautista Farms and they are amazing. Wow. And dates are supposed to be really good for late pregnancy, and so I'm gonna start eating as much as I can and I am okay with that. It has been approximately 7 minutes and I still need more food, so a smoothie it is. I've got some ground flax seeds, ground chia seeds, some hemp seeds, some barley grass juice powder. I got some kale from the farmer's market. I'm gonna do some peanut butter. I'm also going to throw a couple of these big, juicy medjool dates in there. Wow, wow, wow. Frozen bananas. Oh, got some water in there and blend. Jaylee, she came over today because we're working together and she's gonna eat things with me, and that is why she's in my video. And also I'm obsessed with her pants. I can't wait to wear high-waisted things again. We are making pumpkin mookies today, which is a dessert recipe in my ebook coming out on Tuesday. I'm saying it. It's happening. I'm gonna make it work. Tuesday, it's happening. So we're gonna show you a bit of the recipe because this is so good. You guys, it is officially fall, and I went to Trader Joe's the other day and smells like fall just hit me in the face, and I was so happy about it. And I bought 3 cinnamon brooms, which might have been excessive. And I bought, did you see our pumpkin on the porch?
Yes, so festive. Wait, I can honestly never get this wrong.
Well, no pressure because we're all watching.
I know.
It goes like this. You have to.
I don't know if we're supposed to do more dry ingredients.
Oh no, it's all in one bowl. That's what I like about this recipe. It's really, really easy, but so tasty. Make sure when you make this recipe, the key is to keep them really light and fluffy, and don't compact the dough because they're gonna be airy mookies, and mookies means cookies plus muffins. Muffins plus cookies. Okay, so don't form them into this really tight ball. You can also use like an ice cream scoop. We're waiting for the mookies, and I got starving, which this doesn't make any sense because this is gonna take a while to cook, but I am going to make this delicata squash, which is my new favorite fall squash. It is one of the only like healthy things that I actually am super into at the moment. So I have been eating not so much the whole foods lately. I've been eating chips. And anyway, we're gonna chop this up and throw this in the oven because the oven's already on and it's so hot. We don't want to use the oven as much today.
Should I grab one?
Sure. I'm just teasing you, yes. Grab it. Nice, that looks so good.
Oh, it just smells like
Wait,
fall.
don't eat it without me.
I'm sorry.
You guys,
Yeah,
it's a
that's
day.
cuter.
It's a day. This is happening. Are you ready?
Yes.
We've already tried these, so it's not like this is
They're
news
so
to us.
good.
We already know they're delicious, but oh my god. Oh.
They're
It's
so
such a hot mess today. It's not even funny.
The ankle right now too is just
That's the cutest ankle ever. I look adorable. These are so good.
they're so good. Yeah.
I will now devour 3 of these? 4 maybe. Jaylee's enjoying the mookies, and I'm gonna try to eat this half of a, or quarter of a Go Macro bar that I couldn't finish yesterday, because that's what pregnancy looks like for me. Okay, just kidding. I spit that out because that didn't work. So this is my go-to lately when I'm so nauseous, nothing will. Chips. I did not think I didn't think this would be me during pregnancy, but sometimes it just helps me to not be nauseous. Do you want one?
I'll try one.
They're the best. Salt and pepper kettle chips.
Those are really good.
How good are those?
I just didn't like them.
I can eat this. I can eat this. I'm gonna have a little bit of this. and maybe it'll settle my stomach, and then I'll eat something more nutritious. Okay, bye. So I am having one of my staples that I always have on hand just in case I have one of these days, and it's the McDougal noodle cups. It's all vegan and like relatively healthy. This has been an absolute essential for me. It saved me. If anyone's pregnant out there and just like can't get food down, these noodle cups always do it for me. Just like the brothy, the noodles, it's very helpful. We're going to get dinner prepped now. This is, not to tease you too much, but it's another ebook recipe, and this is probably my favorite one. What are you doing right now, Jaylee?
I'm just pressing the tofu to get all the moisture out.
And we're gonna crisp it up in the oven and make the most amazing healing noodle soup. You're gonna think I'm crazy because it's so hot that this is my outfit. This is what I love about this recipe. There's so much flavor because you create your own paste. So we're just putting a ton of garlic and ginger in there. No, we gotta peel it. Woo! How do you describe this taste? I don't know, it's just so fragrant and healing. I don't, it's extremely healthy. Oh. I know how things work. Woo! Wow. I love it so much. I love the soup. We just got done with a prenatal visit with my midwives. They came over. We love them. It was such a good meeting. I feel like I feel so good and confident and excited. It is almost 8 and I still need to finish making dinner. It's not that hard though. This is like actually a really easy recipe. It kind of looks like a lot of work because there's more ingredients, but it's super simple. Eric thinks I'm ridiculous for turning the oven on, but you know what? This is what sounds good to me right now. Because how hot is it right now? It's like 90 degrees.